I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to equalize the sound coming out of your TV. So go to settings, under settings go to all settings, and then go to sound, select that, and then go to export settings, and then go to equalizer. Okay, now here you have all these options. Okay, so you can increase, you can go ahead and equalize the sound, and if you're using TV, then you can hear the sound being equalized in real time, so you can be able to know exactly what you're trying to do. But you know the dials to the left hand side are bass and then treble on the right hand side, so you can go and increase knowing exactly what you're increasing even when you can't hear the sound. Okay, once you're happy, you can just go ahead and close, listen to the sound coming out of your TV. If you're not happy, you can always come back and try and adjust a few things. Now to reset, just press reset, and that's going to reset everything back to default. Okay, and that's basically how to use the sound equalizer on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.